The National Education Policy 2020 brings forth revolutionary structural reforms in higher education in India by creating the foundation of a multidisciplinary liberal education framework. Back on November 2021, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, in august presence of Honorable then Governor of Assam Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Honorable Education Minister, Government of India Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, declared that NEP will be implemented in the state of Assam as envisioned by Honorable Prime Minister of India in its truest sense. The Northeast Education Conclave had set the ball rolling with the national vision and guidance of the members of NEP Drafting Committee like Professor Kasturi Rangan, Professor Anil Sahasrabuddhe and Professor Kattimani, to name a few. Thereafter, there was no looking back and we marched forward to deliver on the vision of optimal implementation of NEP to benefit the student community at large. Indeed, this was a much-needed reform to revisit and reframe the goals, institutional structure, curriculum, pedagogy, research and assessment methods with the demands of the 21st century economy and to bridge the gap between education and employability. Honorable Advisor Education diligently defined the vision of NEP rollout in the state in sync with the vision of Honorable Education Minister for a holistic and comprehensive implementation of NEP in letter and spirit. As part of the implementation process of NEP 2020, the Government of Assam has been working on mission mode by institutionalizing the NEP Implementation Cell and a monitoring committee to track progress. It needs to be mentioned that while quality of education and inclusivity have been the bedrock, adoption of a bottom-up approach and involvement of multiple stakeholders at different levels for arriving at important decisions and consensus generation have been the highlight of this entire endeavor. As such, this transition is quality-driven, holistic as well as democratic and is definitely a paradigm shift in the way higher education is perceived. Making Assam as one of the top 5 ranking states in the country is the most pivotal goal for Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. Dr. Sarma considers education as the most important vehicle to realize this dream. The universities and colleges alike had put their concerted efforts to further the cause, and all their coordination and dedication towards implementation could ensure that NEP could see the light of day in Assam. It is a proud moment for all of us as it is being ceremonially launched today in this August gathering by giving ourselves this policy for a better higher education scenario in the state at par with global standards. The journey from what to do to how to do it has been a painstaking task for all stakeholders involved, but the undeterred commitment to do it sincerely had driven all of us towards a common goal of a better and brighter prospects in higher education scenario of Assam.